Let's tune into homophones, decoding English with ease. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're going to explore a unique aspect of the English language: homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings. They can be tricky, but they also make English an interesting and fun language to learn. So, let's dive right in and unlock the mysteries of homophones. Homophones are words that sound identical, but they may have different spellings and definitely have different meanings. For example, the words to, and to are homophones. They sound exactly the same, but they are used in different contexts and have completely different meanings. Learning about homophones can improve your listening comprehension and can also add depth to your vocabulary. But be careful. Homophones can sometimes lead to miscommunications if not used correctly. Let's look at a few examples of homophones to understand them better. 1. Night and night. Night refers to a medieval warrior, while night is the time after sunset and before sunrise. 2. Flour and flower. Flour is a food ingredient used in baking, while flower is a beautiful plant that blooms. 3. Here and here. Here is the act of listening, while here refers to this location or place. Remember, the key to mastering homophones is practice. The more you use them, the more comfortable you will become. Understanding homophones in isolation is good, but it's even more important to understand them in context. Let's take the homophones see and see, for example. I can see the beautiful sunset. In this sentence, see means to perceive with the eyes. The sea is so calm and serene today. Here, sea refers to the large body of salt water covering the Earth's surface. As you can see, context is everything when it comes to understanding and using homophones correctly. And there you have it. That's our deep dive into the world of homophones. Remember, English is a language full of surprises, and learning about homophones is just one of the many ways to explore it. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master these tricky, yet interesting, elements of English. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.